I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you questions from previous test paper. This one is question number 2 here in previous test paper on vectors, equation of planes. The question is, write a vector equation and a parametric equation of a plane that has x-intercept 8, y-intercept -2, and z-intercept of 2. You can also write down the Cartesian equation of this plane, right? You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestion. So with these three intercepts, we are actually given 3 points, right? So we are given x-intercept, which is at 8. So basically, the point for us is 8, 0, 0, right? We are given the y-intercept, which is at -2. So we are given 0, -2, 0 as the second point, and z-intercept is given to us as 2. That means 0, 0, 2 is another point. So let's call these points as, let's say, A, B, C. Okay. Now these points will give us 2 directions, right? And 1 point, so we can get the vector equation. So let's find the direction AB first. So AB will be equal to B minus A. So you could write this direction as 0, -8, 0, -8, -2, -0, -2, -0, 0, -0, right? 0, -0. Okay. And that gives you the direction as -8, -2, and 0. You could write this in simplified form. You can factor out -2, right? So you could factor out -2, and you can write this as 4, 1, 0. Is it okay? Or just the direction as 4, 1, 0. Is it okay? Okay, right. Now let's find BC. So BC is 0, -0. Okay, let me write here 0, -0. For x, 0 -2 makes it plus, 2 -0, 2 -0, and that gives me direction of 0. This is +2, and then again 2, right? So we could write BC as, you can take away 2, so the direction remains 0, 1, 1. Is it okay? So that becomes the 2 directions for the plane. Now based on this, you can write the vector equation. So let's write down the vector equation now. So vector equation of this plane could be written as r equals to, take any point, let's take the x-intercept as one of the points, right? And plus s times this direction, which is 4, 1, 0, plus t times the other direction, which is 0, 1, 1. Is it okay? Where s and t belongs to set of real numbers. So that becomes the vector equation. Let's write down the parametric equation here. In parametric equation, we need to write what x is, what y is, what z is. So we can say x equals to 8 plus 4s. And as far as t is concerned, 0, so we'll leave that. Y equals to 0. Okay, so we leave that part. S, so I'm just writing s here. And as far as t is concerned, plus t, right? So let me write like this. Z equals to, we'll leave this part, and we'll write s as 0 and t as 1, right? So we can write just t here, right? So just t here. So that becomes the parametric equation for the given condition, okay? Now as an exercise, you need to find the Cartesian equation. Okay, you need to find the Cartesian equation. You could use any one of them, then convert them, or you could also use a formula here, and that is x over the x-intercept, that is 8, plus y over y-intercept, which is -2, plus z over z-intercept, OHS 2 equals to 1. So when you solve this, you get your Cartesian equation. So that could be the third kind of equation for the given plane. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope that helps. You can always share and subscribe to my videos. Thank you and all the best.